you ready to play? What are we supposed to do?
Alright, I have a plan. We're gonna go through, William's basement. I think that's where she's gonna hypnotize her. I know how he's gonna do it. He's gonna summon all of the people to hypnotize her. So we have to go in there before that happens, break the sand to get her in. We're gonna take her there, take her to the house, and try to kill Ruby.
We can't do that though. We still have Laundry Monster, even Frankenstein.
Bro, Frankenstein don't exist. But we're gonna kill William. That's all we wanna do. Kill William, and William will kill Ruby. So let's get started.
Seriously, she set up traps.
Alright, I guess we gotta jump over them.
What are you doing? Where's your brother? Exactly.
It looks like you guys enjoyed my game, huh? Apparently, your brother, well, my brother apparently, he went to his own little town. Oh, don't mind the background noise, because I think that's your little friend trying to help, get me out of here.
Help me, guys.
Tierney!
Magic! I don't think you want to go through there. It's a whole rack of lasers. Also, if you guys get in my way, me and my brother will kill both of you.
Ronnie, I have a brother. Wait, seriously? All you had to do was this. Get out, come on. I can't breathe.
Time to die, Ruby!
At least it's not the end of the story. He could come back. Who knows? William could be in another city that we may move to. William, what are you doing here? Chill, guys, chill. I'm joking, but who knows? Watch the updates to see what's going to happen. But yeah, subscribe, hit the notification bell, bye.